Heto na. Heto na nga yun eh.
Sure.
Ayun na.
Kape. Ano na rin kape? Gusto Pinay.
I need a love but you hear me say, pull me from hell, bring me back again. Give me the cash,
Cha-cha.
something romantic.
Hey, come here for a sec, please.
Oh, when I don't even have it. I always dream of a soaring fate, someone who feels like a holiday.
Happy birthday sa'yo! Happy birthday sa'yo! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Angel baby, angel baby, baby, you're my
Game. Low.
Sakto na ba mas ka?
Sino mo daw ang nilagay?
Baka marano.
maybe we could break.
Morning, walay.
Ha? Ang pagkila na...
Tell you how will you bring me back to life?
Hello po. Good morning.
Hello po.
Kalumad lang tips. Business sa ano mga
Until the game of heaven, so we could be together. And you're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, and baby you're my angel.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, it's my birthday! Ayan, so ngayon, kaninang umaga, sinurprise na nila ako pag-gising ko kanina. Paglabas ko, may pa-birthday cake. Ayan, hello Sarah! Ayan.
Birthday, no?
Happy birthday po!
Ayan, so may pa-birthday cake sila sa akin. Sinurprise nila ako pag-gising. And ngayon, nandito kami. Nakikita niyo naman, Jollibee. So, actually, celebration po ng apo ni Coco na galing sa Australia. Pero, birthday niya pa is on March. Kaya nag-celebrate na ngayon dahil umuwi rin sila ng Pilipinas at mag-travel sila papunta ng Japan. Doon sila pupunta. So, nagkataon na birthday ko, ayan, parang may celebration dito sa Jollibee. At, yun nga, bumalik sa pagkabata, Jollibee. Makikisaway ako ng aking birthday celebration dito. So guys, enjoy natin yung party! Happy birthday, Tita Tina! Diyan na lang natin dyan. Dapat lahat, parang hindi tayo exercise. Dapat natin mataas ang mga. Very good.
One! Ang best friend mo! Ang best friend ko! Ang bilang saya! Please welcome! Jollibee! So say hi naman dyan, Jollibee! Say hey, hi, hello, hello!
Alicia!
I can buy myself flowers.
Hi guys! Welcome to my bathroom!
Write my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours. Don't understand. I can take myself dancing. And I can
Iyakan na itong mga ito.
I can love me better than you can. Don't love me better. I can love me better. Don't love me better.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, blow the candle na! Oh, wish, wish! Wish ka na! I wish the wish you wish! Okay na kayo, ino! Wala naman. Ayan, sana si Mayat naman libre! Susunod! Magagawa ka nga! Ay, lalagyan, bilis! Ay,
started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand.
Hey! Ano pa?
I can hold my head. I can love me better. I can love me better.
Korte ng buto-buto.
I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better, baby. Can love me better. I can love me better.
Basketball. Yung basketball siya, sumasali ng mga basketball.
Hello po mga kapilings at sa kakatiks.
Or powers to come!